I ain't bored, honey. I ain't bored. I ain't bored, honey. I ain't bored. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Michelle Chanel here, and thanks for tuning into today's video. You can already tell by the title, today we're going to be talking about the March box. We're going to get right on into it. There are some products in the box, to be honest with you, that are not, most of them are not even makeup related. Let's be very clear. So the only thing that really is makeup related is two of the products, which is the Boxycharm palette, eye palette, and this is the Becca. So it's really the Boxycharm palette, which is their brand, so that's amazing. So we're gonna get into this. So we have that, and then the other product is the Becca Glow Gloss. So this is all we're gonna be doing. Let's see. Oh wow. We'll see how that looks on moi. We're gonna get into it. Let's start with the palette. I'm ready. Let's zoom in. Should we zoom in? Okay, I don't think I look that bad. Got my little friends here. They won't go away. I'm starting to think they're more than just pimples. So we're gonna prime first with my fave. Prime here. Alright, let's dig right in. This is what we're working with. I'm gonna start by using the shade Cup of Joe. Alright, and Cup of Joe is this peachish shade right here in the case. I don't see it. It's very dusty, but that's not a deal breaker for me because there are dusty shadows out there that actually work. But I see like a hint of it, but for the most part, it's not really popping. Let me go in with unboxing. To be honest, I'm not really seeing this one too much either. Not the way it's portrayed in the actual packaging. I'm not seeing that color appear on my eye. Let me go in on my other eye and do the same things. Okay, so the unboxing shade is showing up much better than Cup of Joe. Alright, so I slightly see that, so I'm not mad. You see that? There's honestly nothing else I can use in here as far as a matte. These matte shades, I'm gonna have to be quite frank, these matte choices of color is kind of bad. Like, I really don't know how else to say it. It's very bad choices of mattes. They don't really make sense. I'm not sure why you would have pastel yellows, the white, peach, and like coral-ish. I don't really, and these, they're just so similar. These two shades right here, Spoiler and Premium, they're like almost the same. Spoiler is a bit warmer, but I don't know why. I'm gonna go in with Swipe Up right here. And it's like pink and goldish. And I'm really only going in with that shade because it correlates with, oh, okay. It's, my finger made a dip in it. They almost look like they're like damp, like wet. I'm gonna use my finger. I think this is the best way. I'm assuming. Okay, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. No complaints. I don't want to reach. I don't want to go too high. Let me try it with a brush actually, just to be safe. Fingers are fat, my lids are small. You don't want glitter in your crease. It's not cute. she's there. Wow, the formula of this shimmer is quite good. Doesn't take a lot of effort. I will say that the pink part of the shadow is chunking up, and the glitter part, which gives me like the green and blue shift, that is staying on the eye. Gosh, I really wish they had a darker brown in this palette. That let me down, man. Just something for definition. There's nothing for definition in here. I don't know if they wanted Cup of Joe to be that, but I mean, as for me and my house of skin tone, it's not. I'm gonna go back in with unboxing and see what I can do. Gosh, words cannot describe how much I need a darker shade in here. I really want to do something with Charmer. Oh, can I just, I don't know. Inner corner? Inner corner. I mean, come on. Inner corner. Oh my goodness. The shimmers, yeah, it's the shimmers for me, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some mascara on, lashes on, finish the rest of my face. We'll try out the gloss bomb, and we'll be discussing a few things, and we'll be out of here really quick today. So we got some lashes on. I was gonna put some shadow on the bottom, but I like this naked mascara look, especially with all we have going on in the lid, which is blowing me away. It's beautiful. Now we're gonna go in with the gloss. This is the Becca Glow Gloss in the shade Tiger Lily. And we'll see. Let's just work it out here. Feels nice. It goes with this look quite nicely. It doesn't look as bad as I thought, but this is definitely not a gloss that I would like go for me. But I feel like it fits the spring. I'm gonna add some blush. This is my Rimmel Maxi Blush. This is pretty much the shade I use most of the time. I feel like this will tie it together really nice. Alright y'all, so this is the completed look from this month's box. I just want to run over a few things right quick as far as the products. First of all, there was no card in this box. No card that showed me, you know, the card I use that shows me the prices, and then I add it all up and then see how much the products are all together to see, you know, what the bang for your buck is. There was none of that. None of it. But I do want to let you know what all came in. So this is the Boxycharm palette, of course, and the gloss. And then also we got something from Pharmacy. And this is the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. What it is you have your makeup on. You put this on your face right on top of your makeup. You take it, and I've been using it obviously. That's why this video is a little late, because most of the products in here I have to use over time to let you know what I think. So the cleansing balm, I've been using it ever since I got it. I tried it the first time. I love it. You take a chunk of it and you rub it into your makeup. Next thing you know, I look like a pumpkin, just orange everywhere. And I rub it in, and after, you take a hot rag and you wipe everything off. Everything just comes off really easily. My cleaning routine as far as taking my makeup off is much less messy now because of this stuff. I really like it. I like it because it's faster, and I don't have to like clean my whole sink with like scrubbing bubbles and a brush when I'm done, you know, because my sink is like white. So that has helped a lot. It hasn't really changed anything as far as like the health of my skin or the look or texture of my skin, because you know I have a lot of texture. It hasn't really done anything like that, but it has made life easier as far as taking off makeup. I don't really dread it as much, so yeah, I think that's a good thing. And another product we got is the Murad Hydration Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It's for eyes. It's moisturizer. It's white. The white cream in there is probably overexposed. You just take some out. It looks like that. Takes them out, looks like a lotion. And it is good for moisturizing the eyes. I personally have been using it all over my entire face before bed, along with my Clinique moisturizer that you guys know about. And yeah, it is good for moisturizing. It's not heavy, it's not sticky or anything like that, which is pretty much what I always seem to go for. I don't know why, but feel like I need a lot of moisture. As oily as I am, like I need a lot of moisture, especially overnight. But after I wash my face, I mix this with my Clinique, use them together. It's been doing okay. Not changing the texture of my skin, but I'm not dry, so I mean it's doing what it's supposed to do, which is moisture. Anything else? The only product I have not used is this Spongele French Lavender. It's a body wash infused buffer. I'm not going to use this. I'm probably going to give it away because I cannot use anything outside of what I use, like natural body washes for the body. I can't use anything outside of that, so this is a no-go. So yeah, with that being said, I'm never going to use this. I'm probably going to give it away to somebody who's able to. I will break out everywhere, if you know what I mean. As far as the palette, the mattes, the shimmers, So that's all I have to say about that. I'll be using the shimmers for a lot of things. And the gloss, maybe I'll throw it on top of something one day when I'm doing something springy. Yeah, I think it's a nice color. It just depends on my vibe that day that I'll be using this. But I am going to throw it in my kit and use it on clients. I think that'll be cool. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Another box down. Hope you guys are staying safe. Miss you guys. I'll be back with more videos when I get ideas, but really I don't have any, so you guys just pray for me on that or leave suggestions down below because I really don't know. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!